In this video, I am going to show you how you can send money to your loved ones using N26. So the first thing you need to do would be to open your N26 app, and afterwards, once you are on the home page, you click on send money. So once you get to send money, there are two ways you can send money. The first method is by using your already existing contact or account details that have been saved on your phone. And the second method would be to click on the plus sign, and you would see either sending money by MoneyBeam, bank transfer, or foreign currency transfer. So if you tend to send money by bank transfer, you just click on bank transfer and you'll be able to include the name and the IBAN of the person you intend to send money to. All right. So the second method is by choosing an already existing account number. I will just do this by including this account number. I include the amount of money, then click continue, then also click additional continue. There are two options. You can either use instant bank transfer or standard bank transfer. Once you click on confirm, you will see all the account details and you click on continue where you include